A very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 of bio waste concern. Concept manure. What is manure? Manure is a substance that is produced from the organic wastage. Manure is a substance that is produced from the organic wastage which helpful in increasing the fertility of soil. Is known as manure. The the substance which is produced from the organic wastes which helpful in increasing the fertility of soil is known as manure. After that, we are going to discuss another use of wastes. We can use wastes as for making compost, for making vermicomposting. We can use wastes as a organic wastes as a manure. Now we are going to discuss another use of organic wastes. We can use organic wastes to produce biogas also. What is biogas? Biogas mean the gas which is produced from the living or organic wastes. The gas which is produced from the living or organic wastes is known as biogas. How biogas is produced? When the organic waste is allowed to decompose in the absence of oxygen with the help of microorganisms, then methane is produced. This gas is known as biogas. When organic waste is allowed to decompose in the absence of oxygen with the help of microorganisms, then biogas is produced, which is used for cooking as well as which is produced for used for production of electricity also. The main component of biogas is methane. The main component of biogas is methane. Thank you. The main component of biogas is methane. Combustible component which supports in burning. Combustible mean which supports in burning. The main combustible substance of biogas is methane. And biogas is the we can say cheap and clean fuel. It is a cheap fuel because it is produced from the organic wastage. We can say cow dung, etc., animal and vegetable peels, etc. It is also clean fuel because it produces less amount of carbon dioxide, less amount of smoke as comparison to any another fuel. And the residue left after the production of biogas, it can be used as the manure because it has a rich amount of we can say plant the nutrients which are beneficial for the plant like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. The residue left in the biogas can be used as a fertilizer. We can say it can be used as a manure in the crops because it is rich in uh, nutrients which are helpful in growth of plants like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. After that, fertilizer. What are the fertilizer? Fertilizer are the chemical substance that increase the fertility of soil and good for growth for the crops. Good for crops for the crops are known as fertilizers. Simply, fertilizer are the chemicals which increase the fertility of soil. When they are added to soil, they increase the uh, production of crop as well as growth of plants, and they increase the production of crops as well as growth of plants. When we use chemical substances in excess, we can say when we use in a chemical, we can say fertilizer in excess, it is harmful for the soil as well as humans also. But the excess use of manure is not harmful to the soil as well as not to the humans. One video.